पश्चिमी महाराष्ट्र के कई जिलों में बुधवार को निसर्ग तूफान के चलते भारी बारिश हुई और राज्य के रायगढ़ जिले में तूफान के टकराने से लैंडफॉल हुआ है। वहां पर मंगलवार की देर रात से ही बारिश हो रही है। भारी तूफान और बारिश की वजह से कई जगहों पर पेड़ और बिजली के खंभे जड़ों से उखड़ गए। कई जगहों पर बत्ती भी गुल होने की खबर है। जिला कलेक्टर ने लोगों से कहा कि अपने घरों से बाहर न निकलें। मौसम विभाग ने बताया है कि निसर्ग तूफान के चलते रायगढ़ के अलीबाग में सुबह 11:30 बजे 120 से 140 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से हवा के साथ लैंडफॉल शुरू हुआ है। यह 1961 में आए चक्रवाती तूफान के बाद दूसरा अब तक का सबसे बड़ा तूफान है।
All the teams are on standby. About 43 teams of NDRF are deployed in the two states, out of which 21 are in Maharashtra, 16 are in Gujarat. As per reports that we got from the state authorities, about 40,000 or in excess of 40,000 have been evacuated in Maharashtra. In excess of 40,000 again in Gujarat. So, and if you count the evacuations in the Daman and Diu and Silvassa area, so we are talking about an evacuation nearly 1 lakh of population that has been evacuated from the cyclone's path. So all in all, the preparations of ground are, I think, okay. Let's hope for the best.
What are the precaution measures has been passed to the citizens to take during the cyclone in Gujarat and Maharashtra?
As you very well know that the central government has taken this very seriously, and as always is the case, the disaster governance mechanism of the central government is started very early, as soon as the predictions start coming. And at the highest level it is being monitored. The HM Home Minister himself did the video conferencing with the state governments and also took a review on his own, and he is constantly taking updates from us, hourly updates from us. The Cabinet Secretary has held 2 National Crisis Management Committee meetings. So we are monitoring the entire thing on an hourly basis.
It's going to be very high tide, so our rescue team is very well prepared, and as you can see they are already here, and we are trying to evacuate as much population as possible from the coastal area. So our rescue team is prepared and we will be looking forward to it, and right now we are on a wait and watch basis.
Sir, what is the number of team over here and what are the number of people working over here for this?
Our 2 teams of 6 battalion and 13 battalion NDRF is deployed here, and other few teams are also in Valsad and nearby coastal areas. So,
sir, what conditions do you see? What damage will be done by this cyclone, and what time it will take to recover from this?
It depends on the speed and intensity of the tide. We are assuming as per hour orders 80 to 100 km per hour can be. So it, as you can think about it, it will be very devastating. So it will harm the old buildings and coastal areas, approx many houses. So that's why we have evacuated most of them.
Sir, what are the number of houses that has been evacuated? What are the number of people?
We cannot tell about the exact number of peoples, but something around 2,000-3,000 approx we have already evacuated. Few still are operations are going on.
चाहता